Hey there, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be talking about how to force turn off or restart your iPhone 12 mini. So let's begin with the video now.
So what's up everyone, welcome back to Serg-Tech. Sergio here. In this channel I do a lot of tech reviews and tutorials, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos like this. There's going to be links to everything that I talk about in this video in the description down below, so do check that out, and let's get right on with the video.
So the reason you may want to do this, maybe your screen froze at any other app and you can't use your phone, maybe you don't have access to anything, so maybe you just did an update on your phone and there is a glitch with the software or just full storage and won't let you use your phone. So the method that we're going to do for this is really simple. First, we're just going to press volume up, volume down, and then we're going to hold the power button on this side until the screen turns completely black. And after it's all black, it's going to take a couple seconds to get the Apple logo back on the screen, so your phone is going to be completely restarted. So let's go ahead and do it now. Volume up, volume down, and power button. We're going to see the power off menu, so we keep holding until the screen turns completely off. As you can tell, it just did, and now you're going to wait about 10 to 20 seconds until the Apple logo shows up again. And here we have it. Now you're just going to wait another couple seconds and it should be done. And here you have it. Your iPhone 12 mini has been completely restarted and it's ready to go. So that was it on how to force turn off or restart your iPhone 12 mini. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and leave a comment down below if you enjoyed the video. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. And as always, I will see you in the next video.